Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a credit card business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start your credit card business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. The most common way to enter the credit card business is through an affiliate program. Affiliate programs allow you to earn commissions by promoting the products and services of an online credit card merchant. As an affiliate, you must be creative in your marketing efforts. You could, for example, create a website to market your service. However, a website can be used for more than just promotion. Through an affiliate program, you use your website to direct visitors to the merchant with whom you are affiliated. Individuals buy the products and services they want, and the commissions are paid to you. If you work for a non-profit, you might be able to form a partnership with a major bank card company. Affinity credit card programs are frequently offered by these businesses. Your company endorses a specific credit card through an affinity program. These credit cards bear the organization's logo and are backed by the credit issuer. The organization receives a percentage of the transaction when members use the credit card that you have endorsed. Affinity credit cards are not the same as co-branded credit cards, which are provided by a bank and a business. Affinity cards typically provide fewer personal benefits, but they can generate revenue for the non-profit organization. The most difficult way to begin a credit card business is to create a company from the ground up that issues its own credit cards. To do so, you'll need a slew of documents, including insurance, an employer identification number, and a business license, among other things. Here are a few more documents you may require: allowance for sales tax, sales tax permit, client agreement, employment agreement, Nondisclosure agreement, Memorandum of Understanding, online term of use. After you've completed the documentation and identified your niche, you'll need to fund the credit lines themselves. Significant assets are required, which can be obtained through venture capital, business partnerships, loans, angel investors, and personal savings, among other methods. Aside from funding for issued credit cards, you must also fund the entire business, including staff and credit card processing equipment. It is critical to understand the intricate details that make the credit card system work. You must be able to print credit cards, process bank transactions, and accept payments from mobile, virtual, and online payment processors. Starting a card issuing company from scratch necessitates extensive knowledge of both the market and the infrastructure required to process payments. Although there are several ways to start a credit card business, most people find the process intimidating. The significant amount of financing required, as well as the requirement for knowledge of credit card infrastructure, make entry into the industry difficult. Affiliate and affinity programs, on the other hand, provide a credible way to start your business. You can start generating revenue when people use credit cards obtained through your program by relying on the existing infrastructure provided by major credit card issuers. These are the most basic methods for getting your credit card business up and running. If you have prior experience in the credit industry, you may be able to start a credit card business. Affiliate programs, affinity partnerships, and starting a card issuing company from scratch are the three ways to start a credit card business. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a credit card business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.